Dear professional students, let's look at performance measurements and evaluation. What is performance measurement and evaluation? Performance measurement is the ongoing regular collection of information for monitoring how a program, policy, or strategy is doing. That is a performance measurement. You try to look for information on how certain things you put in place are actually faring or performing. And it's a systematic way of mapping the evidence of the progress you are making towards your expected results. That is a performance measurement. And when we are talking of evaluation, evaluation is a specific, in-depth way to gather and analyze information and draw conclusions about the performance of a policy, program, or strategy. Evaluation will also be focused on the project level, or at the project level rather. That is what we mean by performance evaluation and measurement. Measurement is just to get the regular is the regular collection of information for monitoring how a program is doing. That is measurement. But evaluation is an in-depth way to gather and analyze information and draw conclusions about performance of a policy, program, or strategy. Now, there are two broad types of evaluation we have. We have formative or process evaluation. When we are talking of formative or process evaluation, these are designed to improve the design and implementation of a program, policy, or strategy as it unfolds. Let me come again. I said formation or process evaluation is that are designed to improve the design and implementation of a program, policy, or strategy as it unfolds. And the second one is summative or outcome evaluation. This type of evaluation are designed to judge a program, policy, or strategy's relevance, success, or cost effectiveness. This includes the relative contribution to the intended outcome. So those are the two types of evaluation we have. Some are process, some are outcome. Or we can say some are formative and some are summative. While formative are designed to improve design and implementation of the program, summative are actually designed to judge a program, policy, or strategies relevance, success, or cost effectiveness as it contributes to what? To its intended outcome. That is about performance measurements and evaluation.